Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 5th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star in Dutch, take on a cipher block in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 puzzles. 3 regular puzzles. So it's a lot, Alright, the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku. Number 8660. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28 printed digits. Well. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 6, should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 6, should be there. Then let me see. I cannot continue with the 6. How about these 2 missing numbers in the middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. Alright. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 4. It should be there. 4. 4 in the first column. 4 in the middle, second column. So the third column, the only place level 4. A should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 4. A should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here on there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4, alright. Then. Let me see. How about need a 7 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 1 here. And I need a 3. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing number, or 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have 3 and a 7 in this big square, so no 3 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes in this row. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Let me mark those 5 and 8. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only place left, the 1 should be there. Then. Let me see. 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 3. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place left with 3 in the last row should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left. Can I fill this yet? No, I cannot. Need to wait. Okay. Well, 5, 5. 5, 5. Need 5 here. In this big square, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. So we have a 5 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 8, 8. Then. 9, 1, 2. Need a 2 there. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next, and last column. The only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 7 in this column. Last column. 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place left with 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Oh, we have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here. On there, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. And now, How about let me see. Yeah. 2, 9, and the 8. We have 8 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, 5 and the 6. Well. 5 here. 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Okay. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then need a 3 here. 3 there. Alright. The 2 there. 2 and the 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, from the third row. The only 2 places left, 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there, 6 should be here. And let me see. I need a 5 here, 5, 9, and the 3. 3 in this. Oh, no. We have a 3 there. Need a 6 there. 1 number left now in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Need a 6, need a 9, need a 3 here. Okay. 9 and the 2. 2 and 9. Come on. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the fifth column. The only place level 6 should be there. And we have paired the 3 and the 6 in the last row, the 3 and the 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 place level 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 is left. In this big square for the mark, 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. And we have paired a 9 and a 5 in this column, and a 9 and a 5 in the column next. So last column now, only 2 places left for the 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, 2 and 9, 2, 9 and the 5. 2 numbers left in this column for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be, and a 5 goes there. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 9 goes there. Alright, and now, 2 numbers left in the this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left, the 5 and 8. In the second column, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright, so 1 number left in this big square for number 8. Then 7 and 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left here, the 5 and the 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.